السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم في دورة القرآن الكريم ذكري on the academy. Today we're gonna focus with the Madd Leen, the continuation of lesson number 7 from Qaaida Nuuraniyya, focusing about the stretching letters, حروف المد letters continued. So the first part was continuation of the letters of Madd, and the second part of lesson number 7 is the start of Madd Leen. It's called Madd Leen. Madd Leen is whenever we have the mad letters of Waw and Ya preceded by another letter over here which has got fatha, okay, then we read this by showing two harakats in our reading. Okay, that's the first case of Madd Leen, first case. And the second case of Madd Leen, which differentiates it from the Madd Asl, is that when it occurs in the last word, and that last word has got a fatha, and then it followed by Waw or Ya, which has got sukun, then we recite it by 2 harakats or 4 harakats to 6 harakats. For the first situation, we read it only by 2 harakats. Okay? Now let's see this practically. For example, for the second case, here we didn't put the Quran, but for the second case, you can find it in Surah Al-Quraysh. لِإِيلَافِ قُرَيْشٍ. You see? Ra has got fatha, Quraysh, and then Ya has got sukun, Quraysh. إِيلَافِهِمْ رِحْلَةَ الشِّتَاءِ وَالصَّيْفِ صَيْفِ. You see? لِإِيلَافِ قُرَيْشٍ, like this. لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف. You see? So 2, 4 to 6 harakats. Okay, continuing with our recitation of Qaaida Nuuraniyya over here, we're gonna proceed with our today's lesson. So here we're gonna start by Ta, Fatha, Waw Sukun, Taw. So whenever we have these, it's gonna be weaker than the mad letters. So it's gonna be Taw, Taw, Taw. Ta fatha ya sukun, Tai, Tai, Tai. Tha fatha waw sukun, Thaw. Tha fatha ya sukun, Thay. Dal fatha waw sukun, Daw. Dal fatha ya sukun, Day. Dal fatha waw sukun, Thaw. Dal fatha ya sukun, Thay. Ra fatha waw sukun, Rai, Raw. Ra fatha ya sukun, Rai. Za fatha waw sukun, Zaw. Za fatha ya sukun, Zay. Sin fatha waw sukun, Saw. Sin fatha ya sukun, Say. Shin fatha waw sukun, Shaw. Shin fatha ya sukun, Shay. Sad fatha waw sukun, Saw. Sad fatha ya sukun, Saw, Say. Dad fatha waw sukun, Dhaw. Dad fatha ya sukun, Dhay. Ta fatha waw sukun, Taw. Ta fatha ya sukun, Tay. Dad fatha waw sukun, Dhaw. Dad fatha ya sukun, Dhay. Lam fatha waw sukun, Law. Lam fatha ya sukun, Lay. Nun fatha waw sukun naw. Nun fatha ya sukun nay. Hamza fatha hamza fatha hamza fatha hamza fatha hamza fatha waw sukun aw. Hamza fatha ya sukun ay. Ba fatha waw sukun baw. Nun ba fatha ya sukun bay. Jim fatha waw sukun jaw. Jim fatha ya sukun jay. Ha fatha waw sukun haw. Ha fatha ya sukun hay. Kha fatha waw sukun khaw. Kha fatha ya sukun khay. Ain fatha waw sukun aw. Ain fatha ya sukun ay. Ghain fatha waw sukun ghaw. Ghain fatha ya sukun ghay. Nam. Ha fatha ya sukun hay. We ended here. Fa fatha waw sukun faw. Fa fatha ya sukun fay. Qaf fatha waw sukun qaw. Qaf fatha ya sukun qay. Kaf fatha waw sukun kaw. Kaf fatha ya sukun kay. Mim fatha waw sukun maw. Mim fatha ya sukun may. Waw fatha waw sukun waw. Waw fatha ya sukun way. Ha fatha waw sukun haw. Ha fatha ya sukun hay. Ya fatha waw sukun yaw. Ya fatha ya sukun yay. So this is all about Madd Leen. Okay. So on the next lecture we're gonna see on all the combined tutorials. So Madd is straight to 2 harakat, and Leen is the weaker form of Madd. Yani Madd is straight to 2 harakats. So we're talking about this first part, and Al-Liin is the weaker form of Madd, the weaker form of Madd. So we're gonna see on the next lesson about tadribat, the exercises from the first lesson to lesson number 7. So mixed all of the ahkam in this lesson. So see you on the next lecture, and jazakumullahu khairan wa ba'da al-khair wa jannatu firdaus inshallah. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with others. Also, you're gonna find us in our WhatsApp classes. If you're gonna want to take your private course for WhatsApp for this, you're gonna check us through the numbers +255 713 2257 02 or +255 685 303727. You're gonna check these numbers on the description of this video over there in the YouTube, and you can ask us any questions. Don't forget to like, to share, to comment how you see the lectures are going. So we are coming, you can't imagine, on starting from lesson number 8 you're gonna feel you're gonna know how to recite the Quran. So if you can't do great things, try to do small things in a great way. And this is Doa Online Academy for Lughat al-Arabi, English and Quran courses. So we also have our free Iman lessons to make you steadfast in Iman. So you're gonna check us in WhatsApp and you're gonna find those lessons. Jazakumullahu khair.